Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Juriras, matrix number 15 DEP 22 F1018. Lecturer name Tuan Syaiful Bahari bin Muhammad Nurani. For today, I will be present about end of chapter 2, question 1 for DEE 20023 semiconductor devices. Before going to the question, let's look at the learning outcomes that we can get from this question. Number one, can state definition of cutoff region, saturation region, and breakdown region. Number two, can compare the differences between JFET, which is junction field effect transistor, and BJT, which is bipolar junction transistor. Number three, know the operation of enhancement mode in MOSFET. MOSFET is known as metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Okay, this is question 1 in end of chapter 2. We have 3 questions, which is state the definition of cutoff region, saturation region, and breakdown region. Compare the differences between JFET and BJT in terms of terminal, current flow, control. With the aid of a diagram, write the operation of enhancement mode MOSFET. For question 1A, state the definition of cutoff region, saturation region, and breakdown region. For cutoff region, no current flows through the resistor. For saturation region, when the base resistance too small, collector current is high and VCE drops to approximately zero. For breakdown region, the voltage between the drain and the source, or is known as VDS, is high enough to cause JFET's resistive channel to break down and pass uncontrolled maximum current. For question 1B, compare the differences between JFET, junction field effect transistor, and BJT, bipolar junction transistor, in terms of terminal, current flow, and control. For JFET, the terminal is DSG. D is drain, S is source, G is gate. Meanwhile, for BJT, the terminal is ECB. E is emitter, C is collector, B is base. For current flow, JFET, the electric current flows only due to majority charge carriers. Meanwhile, BJT, the current flows is due to both majority and minority charge carriers. For control, JFET is a voltage control device, meanwhile BJT is current control device. Last question, question 1C. With the aid of a diagram, write the operation of enhancement mode MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So on the left is the diagram that I draw, and at the right is the explanation. For enhancement mode explanation, it can be made by connecting the gate with a positive voltage. Therefore, the number of free electrons will increase and conductivity also increase. Thus, the resistance of the channel is reduced, causing the drain current to increase. The more positive the gate, the more drain current flows, and this may exceed the values of loss. So that's all from me. Thank you.